My name is Eva Madar, a fifth-year kinesiology student with a human kinetics major from the University of Regina. I'm completing my fieldwork at the Canadian Sport Institute, Ontario. CSIO is a non-profit organization which exists to provide a world-leading multi-sport daily training environment for athletes, coaches, and practitioners through expert leadership services and programs, and is a key contributor to Canada's Olympic and Paralympic podium performances. I work with the biomechanics and performance analysis integrated support team under the supervision of Ryan Atkinson, who is the lead biomechanist for the high-performance swimming team. As we all know, the target in swimming is to get to the end of the pool as fast as possible in the most efficient way. As we also know, water is a resistant, so as soon as the forward force drops, the body slows down quickly. For my special project, I used an inertial measurement unit called Smart Paddle. It's a novel mobile sport performance analysis solution. It provides instant visibility to the key performance metrics by collecting data from the underwater portion of each stroke.
So one of the things that Ava's been working on is collecting data with the Smart Paddle, among other sensors. And it's really been great because we haven't had the time, the capacity to be able to do all these measurements and testing. And now with Ava's help, we have a much clearer understanding of how real that information is that is being provided to us.
After transferring the raw data for analysis, we can work with curves such as the force profile, speed profile, and hand trajectory, and averages such as stroke rate, impulse, efficiency, and hand speed. The purpose of the project is to provide a monitoring tool for coaches in addition to video analysis. It's not uncommon that swimmers can explain and the coaches didn't see what happened, but the Smart Paddle is able to provide a missing link between the results and actions, enabling better informed actions for the coaches. The objective is to create an individualized stroke profile for each swimmer, which can be used by the coach to create specific drills for the swimmers to improve stroke efficiency.
The stroke analysis report is extremely useful. It's great to have that information on what the swimmers actually did, and then to have it in a visual diagram for them to actually see what it looks like. They don't ever get to see that. It's fantastic. And getting it done within a half a session after like a half a day or a day after the session is over, it's fantastic because then it's applicable right away.
The most challenging but also most valuable aspect of the project was getting familiar with the software used for the analysis and being able to explain difficult and very specific concepts to the coaches. However, I quickly learned how to use the software and become confident in explaining the graphs and charts effectively and in a way that anyone can understand who is not necessarily familiar with the biomechanical terms. Working on this project also helped me to improve basic transferable skills such as using Excel, Word, and creating reports. As a secondary project, I also created a user manual of the Smart Paddles testing and analyzing procedures for the coaches. In summary, it was a fun and challenging project with the main goal of helping coaches and athletes to become better and faster with the help of the stroke analysis report. I believe it will be a great addition to coaches' testing and monitoring procedures in the near future.